At StickerGiant, we strive to make ordering stickers easy. Yet sometimes it's the little things like submitting artwork that can be the most challenging part. But we want every sticker to look perfect, and to do that, we ask for artwork that is either a raster or vector image. Wait, what? Let's explain the differences between raster and vector. Raster images are composed of pixels, such as photographs, and therefore the quality of the image will change when scaled. Notice all the pixels or boxes? Vector images, however, are composed of mathematical equations between points using paths. Because of this, the quality of the image is infinitely scalable. Here are raster and vector versions of the same image scaled up. Notice the difference? If you send us vectorized artwork, you're more likely to receive a better quality sticker. You can find out more information on these topics as well as supported image file formats on StickerGiant.com/artwork. We want to make the sticker that you want. That is why before we print anything, our art team touches every piece of artwork submitted to StickerGiant. Did we mention we offer free artwork setup? Every sticker has a story. Tell your story with a sticker from StickerGiant.